Hello friends, I am Shyam Bhatia and I welcome to on eAcademy 123. Today we will discuss how to set up the website in Python using all operation, and in this video we will discuss the complete website. Backend is a Python, frontend is a PHP and HTML, and using XAMPP server. This is very unique video and this is very unique process. So this video is dedicated to my most respected subscriber, Mr. Sanjay, and I am making this video on his request. And this is the paid code. And he purchased it, or thanks for it, Sanjay. And I am making it, and how to make that thing and how to set up. That is the main thing, and how to set the whole code in Python. So requirement I am talking about that. So you have to install in your system XAMPP, that is the local server, and second one is you must install Python in your system. Third one is some specific setting. So this code Mango, it is you have to download. It does mean you have to purchase online. The link inside the description box, so go there and download it. It is the paid code. And click here and extract here. So it is extracted here. Yes, and this code must be pasted in the root directory. What is the root directory? Root directory is the htdoc in the XAMPP. So go through this PC, it does mean your computer, and see and search here XAMPP. If you install at that location, and just search the htdocs. This is the root directory. What does it mean? When www will call, then request will hit at that location, htdocs, and here you will paste that code. So what is this? Copy and paste here. Yes, this is, and if you open, then you will see the 4 to 5 to 6 files. Perfect. Then make the setting, which setting you need. So first of all, this is the web Python, and I am opening it because this is very neat. And ideally if you have, then it is the simple. Yes, this location must be changed. This location must be changed as depend on your system. If what is your name, and how to copy that location from this to this, how to copy that, and I am explaining it first of all. So see, go to the user Shyam Bhatia and app data. By default app data is the invisible, so you have to search app data here. And inside the app data, local, and go to the programs, and go to the Python, and inside Python, so you have to copy that path. Copy, Control C, and paste in your code where you code. But the problem is that if I paste it, then here is the forward slash and here is the backward slash. So you have to change it forward to backward, and so on, all of this. But I have already done it in above, so I am not doing that, but you have to change that. Yes, Control S, I have saved, and all these files you have to edit that thing. This location must be edit. This is the, and here one more thing which is very important. Copy the path up to script folder. Are simple here, and just copy this and set the environment variable. So right click if environment variable is not setted. So right click on your computer or this PC and go to the properties. Go to the properties and go to the advanced system setting, and here environment variable, and here go to the system path and edit it. Okay, so already I made it program and Python, so I am not doing that. Okay, but in your case, so up to script folder I have already done it, so this setting you must be, because I have done it, so I am not making it again. But in your case, if the error will occur, then do that thing. Okay, and make okay again. Okay, because I done it. Okay, cut it and go to the gem control panel. Okay, this is control panel. Start Apache, start MySQL, and go to the config folder, httpd.config. This setting also, find add handler, again add handler, and here the .py extension in your case will not be there, so edit .py extension, otherwise your Python code will not be interpreted by browser, and as it is same code will appear, this error will occur. Okay, so and add .py and control S, or just save it, just so what I did, no man, just cut it. Go to the file and save. Okay, and after saving it, close and start. Okay, both Apache and MySQL are started. Okay, now just let's say what the setting I done it, and I am in my location, just close it. But what is the main setting? Open the browser. Another step is open the browser. Friends, watch continuously. If you skip some steps, then you will not able to set it. Okay, this is the very crucial, and this is the very unique video. Localhost, and just this is the dashboard, and PHP MyAdmin. I am opening it. Okay, just a process is going on. So up to I will open, and I will type localhost and / and I will type mango. It is my, okay, and you will find that thing. Yes, all file are there, but if I call it form, then my website will appear here. Okay, my website will appear here, but as I click on display, then error will appear. Okay, there is no display. So what does it mean? It does mean there is no database setup. So go to the here and go to the import, and inside choose file, and it is the desktop, and your folder is also present here, and same folder is also present in htdoc. So open the mango folder, and this is the mango database. So open it and open. Yes, and go to the down and go. Just process is going on. Just process. Yeah, error. So in such a case, what we'll do, create a new database and give the name. What is the name? Mango. Okay, and create a UTF-8 general CI. So where is the UTF-8? This is the UTF-8 and general. Now go to the above. Yes, UTF general CI, create now, and now just import it, okay, choose it, because you made such a mistake, so I am doing that. and create the whole database, and create the whole database and open. Okay, and go to the go button. That's all. Just process is going on, and now your database, yes, completely done it. Your database completely done it, and you will got, and you will got the two table. What? Sign up and student, sign up and student. Inside the sign up table, your admin information will be there, and inside the student, the information of the all operation of the website will be there. Okay, so now if I run it, if I refresh it, then yes, sure, go to the main page, and go to the main page. This is the final output, friends. This is the final output of our programming. So if here I display, then there is the third one is the Rudra. Third one is the Rudra. So one more thing I also entering it. Go to the main page, and I am third, then 5 I am entering the Mr. Joe Biden. Okay, and email address, nothing but this is the dummy entry, abcd whatever, this is @gmail.com, and mail, and no Hindi, English, and all language, and degree. For an example, just I am taking the MBBS, and choose the image. It is the bar dummy. Okay, and I am taking the, again, this is nothing but, this is the nothing but I am taking any image, let's say Python. Okay, so I am taking that, and now insert. Yes, record inserted, this is the final input, and come here and display. Just have you seen? Yeah, Mr. Joe Biden, and this is the email address, mail, Hindi, English, and degree, and B Python. This is the binary format stored of the data. Okay, in the byte form. And go to the, for security purpose, search option is also working, Mr. Joe Biden. So I have search, because already by default you can yes, and if you want to search, and if you want to delete something, then record will delete it. By default, fifth inquiry was taken, and if you display it, yes, go to the, and enter the number 5, and go to the delete operation. Go to the delete operation, and now fifth one has been deleted. So go to the insert. Oh, not insert. Go to the display button, and yes, fifth entry has been deleted. So all function is working perfectly. One more thing, log out, and here is the login. So I am entering Sham, and just enter the sum, and now this is not registered. So again I will register my name, Sham, and name and password, let's say 121, and after register it, and India, yes, I am a register. Click here, and I am registered already. So go to the Sham, and password 121, and yes, registered, Sham Bhatia successfully. Go to the main website, and this is the all operation. Okay, so this is my proper way. And if you go to the sign up table, if you go to the Divya, and this is the two admin, and if you go to the student, then this is the all, this one is the all things, this one is the all things, the name and et al. Okay, so this is the main way of the setting. And if you again query, then you can contact on my personal number, and I may email, and anyway I will help you. So thank you, bye bye, we will meet soon again.